Hello, my name is Sofia and I'm going to explain you the POPPLET about the volcanoes, earthquakes and weathering. Okay, the volcanoes form in places where there is magma. Can you see here? Red hot liquid rock just under the surface. When a volcano erupts, internal forces push the magma up through a central pipe, the volcanic chimney. It emerges through a circular opening called crater. Magma is called lava when it reaches the surface. Layers of lava and ash cool and solidify around the crater and form a volcanic cone. Now the earthquakes. Earthquakes are caused by movements of the Earth's crust. They can destroy buildings and break diverge rivers and cause avalanches. Earthquakes on the ocean floor produce the enormous destructive waves called tsunamis. Then the weathering. The action of wind and water is called weathering. We have erosion, transport, and sedimentation. The erosion is the removal of soil and rocks by wind and water. For example, the sea's waves gradually erode a cliff. The transport is the movement of eroded material. For example, rivers, seas, and the wind carry sand. Sedimentation is the accumulation of eroded material from other places. For example, mud settles at the bottom of a river. Okay, this is my POPPLET and I hope you like it and understand. Bye bye!